what up, fam? Yo, what up? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another gaming video. Today I'm playing Brookhaven, as most of y'all are known to be playing. Damn, already 15 seconds. Damn. Well, so today I'm going to be. What am I going to do? I don't actually know. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm lagging. Woo! If it's lagging for y'all, or for me, it might be lagging to y'all, but for me, it's not really that laggy. It look weird, bro. What is? Yo, bro, I am lagging so hard. Yo, what is this dude wearing? Oh, yeah, damn, they all premium, bro. Look at the chat, y'all, but they all premium.
They are free?
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Let's try to get to 100,000 subscribers. 100,000. I know most of y'all don't really be subscribers. That's why I hate y'all. Oh, okay, I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Please don't subscribe to my channel. Come on, bro. Come on. Look, I'm doing. Let's see if we can get to 100,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. See if we get 100,000 in 2 weeks. See, it's not really that laggy. Yeah, let's try to see if we can get 100,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. If we can't do the goal, I don't get 100,000 subscribers. Oh, I heard most of y'all. I heard some of y'all be unsubscribing from my channel. Why? I didn't do anything. Is it because I stopped posting? But the reason why I stopped posting is because because I lost my account. That's why I lost my account and I couldn't make videos. But just don't be mad at me, bro. It's not my fault. Not my fault at all. My worst to fit. I never brush out blocker. Never stop. I can never go brush out blocker. I'm just trying to find a fit, bro. Where is it? I can never go brush out blocker. I look so fat, bro. What the heck? I should change this fit. Yo, bro, what you doing out there? Well, what? Well, yeah, I know y'all be subscribing, but one day, yeah, y'all gonna change y'all mind. Once I give me a mic, a gaming chair, a camera, a PC, bro. Y'all gonna start gaming, good and editing my videos. Oh yeah, bro, y'all must definitely go subscribe. But just please hit that subscribe button right now. Let's try to get to 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes. And in 2 weeks, let's try to hit the goal. 100,000 likes. 100,000. Alright, so first, I can never go brush our block. Why you phone that shit never stop? Why you treating me like this? Alright. So let's put on. Actually, don't hold on. Let me Balenciaga. Yaga. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I most definitely said, ooh, what the fuck? Alright. Ooh. I don't even know. I don't know why, but I make. Hold on, 765. Yeah, I don't know why, but I'm making this junk at 5 something in the morning, bro. 5 something in the morning. I think I'm asleep soon because it's about to be morning time. I can never go to our block. Right now it's 5:26. And comment down below what time is it for y'all, or probably what a chat, what a comments will probably be open because it's something wrong with it. But please, just subscribe for your boy, bro. Let's try to hit 100,000 likes. I mean 100,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes. No, but y'all just gotta do this for your boy, bro. Do it for your boy, bro. Please subscribe. That's the thing I care about y'all too. I appreciate y'all. Watching my videos. I appreciate y'all being present here. I appreciate the 18 subscribers, but I need more, bro. 100,000. Let's try to hit 100,000 in 2 weeks. I appreciate y'all, bro. I really do. Alright, now let's. What am I wearing again? Oh, Balenciaga. I can never go, bro. And make sure y'all go check out my boy Sugar Dita on YouTube, bro. This dude's listen to his song tweaking and like this. Y'all really think I said twerking, bro? What? Wait, nope, I didn't. This okay. Ooh. I can never go wrong. I'm ready to die. As lately I've been tweaking. Murder all up in my eyes. But they don't see me bleeding. Got a big car with a big chain. When you see me, you know it's real. I got real scars. I got real pain. When you speak it, just tell me the truth. Cause I've been on my own, nigga. I ain't lying. I'm dropping that car, nigga. When I walk in the mirror, I'm dropping that bag. Like, just give me the store, nigga. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking to God while I go in the jail. And nobody saving me. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Aim for me. Talking to God while I go in the jail. And nobody saved me. Ooh, burn ready to die. Lay up and lay but they don't see me bleeding. In this game, it gets sticky. My phone into a blicky. When I die, she popping it. And then, because they know I'm a boss man and I'm only 15. And that's an error. That's an error, bro. He's not. I mean, well, that's a mess up because D-Dot isn't 15. He's 16. Why are you treating me like this? Like, I'm dropping that bag. Like, just give me the store, nigga. Tell him to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking to God while I go in the jail. Nobody saved me. Tell him to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking to God while I go in the jail. Nobody saved me. Paranoid, ready to die. Oh, F.O. block, bro. Yeah. Yeah, this Rodney. I can never go brush my block. But what the heck is he doing, bro? Come on, I'm gonna attack this. Move. When I walk in the mirror, I'm dropping the bag. Like, just give me the story. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking to God what I'm going through, and nobody saved me. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking to God what I'm going through, and nobody saved me. Paranoid, ready to die. Hey, let's try these. I'm just kidding. When I walk in the mirror, I'm dropping that bag. Like, just give me a story. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking about what I'm going through, and nobody saving me. Tell them to pray for me. My niggas are aim for me. Talking about what I'm going through, and nobody saving me. Oh, that look ugly. Hey, but what the? I gotta find something good. I'm trying to think of like really cool videos for viewers so I can get subscribers. I haven't been getting many subscribers lately, so maybe y'all just hit that subscribe button. I know I said it a lot of times, but I just really like subscribers, bro. I'm trying to get my first YouTube plat. Come on, let's try that. Alright, let's get 100,000 subscribers in 2 weeks, bro. Let's this. Challenge starts now, bro. Yeah. Let's just go and do something, cause I've been here for how many minutes? 12 minutes. Sniff. A way to get inside somebody's house. What to go? She was here. She's here, bro. She's here. She's literally here. Oh my god. Oh shoot, bro. Oh shit. White luxury back. Where'd she go? Yeah. And also comment down below what your I don't know about the comments. I gotta fix it. When I post it on the video. Yeah, I'm be robbing some banks too, right? When I walk in the mirror, I jump in the bag, like, just give me a story. Tell them to pray for me. I think it's that age for me. Talking about what I'm going to do and nobody say. I'm a crow. I don't know if she can see me. Where is she, first of all? Yeah, Chroma actually works when I walk in it. Hey, if I fix the comments and if it's working for y'all, comment down below. Actually, rate my fit 1 to 10, bro. Rate my fit 1 to 10. Rate my fit right now. was sweet. I'll see y'all about later in the video. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Here she is. Well, see y'all later. Wait, hold on. When I walk in the mirror, I'm jumping it back. Like, just give me a story. Okay. I love y'all. I actually do, y'all, bro. Y'all gotta give me back and send me some love by hitting that subscribe button, bro. Come on, bro. Hit the subscribe button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you hit it? Okay. See ya. See ya. Bye.